Hey guys, my name is Randal. I'm pretty excited to tell you about the Netpreneur franchise system from Dr. Ope. I have been online for a while, just trying to figure out how to make the big money everyone keeps talking about here and there on social media and all those videos out there. But for almost 14 months, I didn't really make any money. I kept dropping in out of the internet business thing because I could not generate enough money early enough to make the payments for the different programs worth the time I was spending. So to be honest, when one of my Facebook friends recommended that I try out for the Netpreneur franchise system from Dr. Ope, well, I was pretty skeptical about it. After all, I have seen and bought several that really didn't deliver on their promises. So, however, when I watched the presentation by Dr. Ope and I realized it has a $1 trial, well, I decided I would give it a try, since I really had nothing to lose for checking it out for a week, 7 days. I'm telling you guys, I'm really glad I did that. I must admit I was pleasantly surprised that the system came with several done-for-you packages, so I was able to deploy to start making money immediately. I also got some great squeeze pages that allowed me to start building my list right away. Great products that were already selling online, follow-up emails and all other marketing materials I needed. They even have an option to get everything set up for me, where I really do not need to do anything to get set up. It was really great since I had no technical skills at all. The system not only helped me make about $2,700 within my first week of getting the franchise, but it also provided me with the tools and the resources to become a legitimate business person online. All I can say is I'm very happy with being able to make some quick money with this system within only a few days of signing up, guys. However, what I like the most about the Netpreneur franchise program is that I can finally nail down the core pillars of a successful online business that has eluded me for months, while also being able to make some quick money to keep me going. So I guess all I can say is thank you Dr. Ope for this fantastic program.